Yo, what is going on? This is Andrew, known as Zero Draw Drew, Pip Cash Administration. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this shit, subscribe to the channel, keep us motivated to put this content out every single fucking day, baby. So, let's get into it. If you look at what's happening all week, we've been in this range all week. We've been going back and forth on the daily. As you can see, we've been going back and forth, right? We still have this U-like structure. We have support at this 1.35700, so I still do think that we want to push up to that 1.37 450 key level, but we do need a break above this 1.36650 on a daily chart for that to be confirmed. Right now we do have this range, so we're still playing it in the range. One thing that I do notice, like I said, we're in this range, right? On this 15-minute chart, we do have this crown-like structure. There's no reason to take this short yet. If I was going to take a short, I would need like a U right here. So right now I think structure is weak, and I think that we do need to come back into value and push up to that 1.36170 key level. So if I could get a bear trap here, I'm going to look for the buy opportunity back up to that level. But right now we are selling off the map, so we need to wait for sellers to become exhausted. We need the trade to set up, and once that sets up, we'll be in there. But like I said, it is 8:45 right now. We'll be back in about 15-30 minutes when we have more data. That'll give us the idea to make our next decision. But like I said, all the buyers are above this 1.36150 key level. So if I was going to sell, I'd look for a bull trap somewhere over here, right? All the sellers' liquidity is below this trend line and below this value right here. So as you can see, sellers' liquidity was grabbed, but there's no opportunity yet because the sellers are still in control. So we'll be back when this thing starts to cool down, turn around, give us that chance, and we'll see you in a bit. Let's go. As you can see, things are starting to cool down a little bit. Look, we're like adapting to what we see. So as you can see right here, this is sort of another crown right here. There's a possibility that we see bull traps here to drop to that neck, see bear traps there, and then buy up. But we're just going to play it by day. We still need a little bit more data. We need more price action. We want to see how we react to here and here. So we'll be back in a little bit. Right now it's too crazy to jump into anything. So we'll be back. Let's go. Yo. As you can see, we're still pulling back. We do have this. I'll show you. Fuck. This little timer thing is blocking my time frame, so I can't change the damn time frame. Hold on. Let me see how I can do this. Oh, I could do this like this. No, I can't do it like that. Fuck. Alright, well, there's a U there on a 5-minute chart. So, right, so we could see potential bull traps there. When that happens, I want to see bears get trapped here. When we come back down there and we come back up the second time, then we'll smash that buy. When we come back into value, right now it's too soon. We got that U, we're going to reject right after bullish liquidity is grabbed. So once those bulls get taken out, we're going to enter that buy once, we get trapped again. So let's get it. Let's get it. At the same time, there's no bias, so we're gonna play it by day. We're gonna keep monitoring data, and we're really going to fuck this shit up like we do every day. Let's go, baby. Man, oh man. I wonder what retail traders are fucking thinking today. Look, bulls win, bears win, pigs get slaughtered. You hear that fucking blue jay, bro? That blue jay's telling me. You're gonna fucking kill it, bro. But look, guys, we're fucking bearish right here on the day, so we're gonna reject. Odds are we are going to reject. So, we're gonna play this shit by day. We're gonna come back down and wait for things to cool down. Wait for the opportunity set up, bro. We gonna get this shit. Let's go. Only 9:15. Let's go. Alright, guys, like I said before, if I'm gonna enter a short, it's gonna be above this level. We need bull traps here, and then we come back, we'll short this there, then wait for a reaction there. Look, this thing is just fucking everybody right now, bro. We're not doing nothing. We're gonna wait for the fucking pigs to get slaughtered. We're gonna jump in this bitch and fuck up this pound pair. Let's go. As you can see, target is smashed from our original trade. We call this drop, buy. We'll be back in about 20 minutes. I need to go for a longboard ride, let this shit cool off. It's going crazy. Alright guys, we're entering now. Let's go. Alright guys, we are getting out of this position. We got in 370, got out right here, 220. So 15 pips. We had a 8 pip stop loss, so that's a 2-to-1. I could see more downside, but those bulls were pretty crazy, so we'll come back when price action sets up. Let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna end the day like this. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash the like, hit the subscribe button. We'll be back tomorrow for another live fucking call, baby. Let's get it.